Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. And then actually we'll just go over a breakdown of the day, and then we'll cover this last trade here that I've made. So starting here on the daily, Bitcoin has been delivering to the sell side, so a downtrend here. Here on the 1 hour chart, we zoom in. Sorry about that. Neighborhood kids are enjoying fireworks this week. I take an entry here and then take some partials out here. And this trade idea is based off of yesterday's New York PM session. In this candle here, there's a body candle close below the PM session low. Price action pulls back and I take an entry in the following candle, and then take a partial here as price is looking to rebalance this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. And then price continued to deliver to the sell side. I took some partials out in a series in this candle and in this candle. This would be the 11 p.m. New York midnight candle, and this would be the New York midnight candle for today as I was exiting those positions. Then actually, I believe I took a loss or two. Yeah, I took two losses also yesterday in this area. We'll see that as I go over my tickets. And then today, we have here. So this is the London session here. And then with this London session here, where you see by these gold lines here mark out the high and low of the London session. This candle here, which is during the New York AM session, wicks up and closes below it, which would give me a short trade idea. And additionally, price action closes below it here, which would also give me a short trade idea. Price action pulled back and I was able to take an entry and then take some exits here. I wasn't confident in this position, or at least confident in this position going an extreme distance. I was actually targeting the sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's London low and this previous day or day before yesterday low here just below it. So there's going to be sell side liquidity resting here. So with this type of entry, with this displacement here, and then not very much pullback here until price is already delivering further to the sell side. So I was looking to take partials and exit sooner than later in that position. Then took some losses in this area here. And then we get this candle here, which triggers this trade here, which is this candle here closing inside of the New York PM range here. So this triggered this long trade idea, and we'll go over that right now. These are some losses that I took here today, and then this is the winning trade as well. So this was that entry into the short, and then this is profit taking and then ultimately stopping out here as price went back to my break even. Then I took this entry here, and stopped out here. This trade I wouldn't take again just because the buy or the up close candle and down close candles in this price range here don't line up to how I would want to see them in the future. So just something about candlestick, what's up closed and down closed, and what kind of patterns that I want to see. So then we get this price action here. So this was a short based off of this market structure shift here, stop out here. Then that's when that candle here on the 1 hour closes above or closes inside of the New York AM range. That's the equivalent of this candle here. So this candle here close is equivalent to this candle here close. So when that happened, I took an entry as price pulled back to this level, but based on the spread with my broker, this entry shows up here even though price made it back to the market structure shift level. And that's what happens here. There's a market structure shift here to the buy side here as price was delivering to the sell side here, and then now delivering here to the buy side. After taking the entry, you get price delivery here, and I take a partial here. This is in line with this area here, this fair value gap, with this rebalance of this fair value gap here. This is where I took a partial. So the original position was 0.013. Now you can see is 0.006. So I took the lion's share, or just a little over half of the position off. If I have even shares, and then I'll break the trade down that way. If I have an uneven amount of shares, then I'll take more off sooner, just in case price pulls back to break even. After taking this partial, I moved my stop loss to break even here in case price comes back. And my final target is the buy side liquidity resting here, or you can see the buy side liquidity here on the 1 hour chart resting above today's New York AM session. You can see entry 89,510.3, take profit 92,310.2. And then these are my tickets for today. So this is this morning's trade that was positive, actually. This is this morning's trade that was positive. These are partials here. And then this is the break-even stop out, which comes up to being about 1.5 cents loss here. And in total, this comes up to, I believe, plus 750. Then you have this loss here, minus 724. And then minus 701. Which, let's say these cancel each other out, and then you have this 1070. So with this, I'm going to be plus about $3.50, or plus, let's say 350. In addition to this unrealized here USDT that I'm currently experiencing unrealized profits in. So we'll see if price will continue to deliver and deliver into my take profit. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OneTiltTrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.